guys, welcome back. We are on page 37 right down here on lesson 17, and we always start by putting our name right at the top. This should kind of be old news for you guys. You got this down to a system, huh? So I'm going to put my name right up here. And right on the line. There we go. All right. So we're going to start with working on calendar, days of the week. So this is our Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. So there are 7 days in the week, right? And this directions that we're being given says to circle the second day of the week. Well, here's number 1 and here's number 2. So that's the second day of the week. Now it's telling us to put an X on the 4, see that word, fourth day of the week. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's telling us put a box. That's not a box. Let's put a real box. Let's put a box around the 7th day of the week. So that is the 7th day of the week. So we got to get a box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's a box. All right. Write the numbers in the blanks. Okay, so when we look at the number 76, right, we've talked about this is our ones column. So the first number to the right, this is our ones. This is how many ones we have. And then the number next to it is how many tens we have. Ones, tens, and if we had another number, it'd be hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. So it's asking us how many tens. Well, this is ones. This is tens. So we have 7 tens. How many ones? We have 6. So when we write that, so here's where we got that number, right? And here's where we get this number. Now 7 tens, the number 10 has 1 0 in it. So when we write this, we write 70. Okay, and we're getting that. This right here is our tens, right? 7 tens is 70. That's this number right here. Okay, 6 ones is right here. So these are the 3 different ways we're going to write out each of the numbers. We're going to write how many tens, how many ones, and then we're going to write them in numerals. Okay, in digits. Now, how many tens are in this one? Well, this is 1, so this is 10, so that means there's 2 tens. How many ones? My computer's acting silly today. 2, and how many ones is 8. So we write that as how many tens? 2 tens, so 10, 20. So we write 28. So you go ahead and do this one. How many tens? How many ones? Written in tens. Written in ones. And then come down here. If you need more time, push pause and come back. If not, let's come down here. So now we talked about on a clock, and we talked about that when the small hand points to a number, that's this one right here, that's the hour. So for example, this one is pointing to a 9, so that's the 9 hour. And it stays at the 9 all the way until it gets to 10. Remember we talked about birthdays? You're 9 all the way until you get to 10. Even if it's the day before, you're still 9, right? So when we're at 9, even all the right in the space in between here is still 9. Now the minute hand gets to tell us what minute, how close we are to going to the next number. So right now when it's pointing at the 12, we always say o'clock. And o'clock is written with 2 zeros. So this one is 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. So you can write it with 9 dot dot 2 zeros, or you can write 9 o'clock. This one, the hour hand, because it's shorter, hour is shorter, is at the 4. 4. And the minute hand points to the 12, which means 0, 0. There's no minutes yet in the hour, which is 4 o'clock. I wrote my 4 a different way today. Go ahead and do these two. So push pause, do these two, and come back when you're ready to move on. All right, if you're back with us, you're on page 38, which means you finished those last 2 problems at the bottom, and you're ready to do the next page. So at the top here, we're matching tally marks to the numbers. You guys can do this by yourself. I'll do one with you, and then you're going to finish it by yourself. So remember, when we do our tally marks, we go 1, 2, 3, 4 across, right? So we can count them by going 1, 2, 3, 4. Across is 5. So if you see this, that's automatically a 5. So that, we're going to draw a line to the 5. So go ahead and match this one. Was it a 2 or is it a 7? And then go ahead and match this one. And then do this chart. And do the same thing. And come back to me when you're ready. Okay, so if you're back, you're down here on number 5. And you are ready to do the number line addition facts. Okay, so we're going to start at number 4. We're going to start at the 4. And we're going to jump 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you see where I ended up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where did I end up? I ended up at the number 11. Okay. Now you don't need to make the jump marks. You can just tap it with your pencil so that you're not having to erase a bunch. So for example, this time I'm at the 6. I could just put my pencil on the 6 and I know that I'm supposed to add 2. So I can go 1, 2. And where's my pencil ended? It's at the 8. So go ahead and finish these 4 and meet me back till I'll do the last one. Push pause to finish these last 4. Okay, so if you are back, that means you're ready to do this story problem right here. And it says Seth made 3 baskets. His brother Joseph made 1 basket. How many baskets did they make all together? Now in this, if I didn't know this word basket right here, when I get to the next part, I can see they drew a basket for me to know what they look like. Okay? So I can go, oh, that's the word baskets. How many baskets did they make together? So Seth made 3 baskets. They have like a bottom here, and then they kind of go up. And then I think they have like a little bucket on them like that. 1, 2, 3. There's my buckets. So he made 3 baskets, and his brother Joseph made 1 basket. There's my baskets. So how many do they have together? 1, 2, 3. 1 more is 4. So when I write it in a number sentence, I write how many we had, how many more we got, and then we write how many we have all together. All right? Okay, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.